You work from home. You've got your laptop, your latte, and your Zoom meeting all lined up until your coffee makes the first move all over your work laptop. It's destroyed. Hey, it's the Claims Ninja. We talk all things insurance and claims, helping you to navigate the turbulent waters of big insurance and steering you clear of financial disaster before it hits your wallet. Now you're staring at a dead screen and thinking, no problem, my company will just replace it, right? Maybe. Now, most companies have really high deductibles, which means that they won't file a claim with their insurance carrier for something as small as a laptop. And your renter's insurance, that won't help either. It doesn't cover company property. So, what happens next? Well, if they decide it was your fault, you could be footing the bill, or worse, they could take it straight out of your paycheck. But to be fair, a lot of corporations will simply just write this off. But some, they will make you sign an agreement saying that any damaged property belonging to the company that happens outside the confounds of the office is your responsibility. And if that's in writing, they can bill you, no hesitation. So, what's the takeaway? Well, let's just hope your company has your back. But just in case they don't, before your latte becomes a $2,000 mistake, check your company's damaged equipment policy. Don't wait until you're cleaning up the mess and figuring out where you're going to come up with this $2,000. Now, this was just a really quick session to remind you to understand your responsibilities before something goes left. Because when accidents happen, it's not just about cleaning up the physical mess, it's about protecting your wallet. Now, I'm the Claims Ninja, here to help you outsmart the fine print because while most people are playing checkers, big insurance is playing chess. But not you, not anymore. And don't forget to take a moment to subscribe to the channel, share the video. We're working on our next video, attractive nuisances. And that's when that beautiful pool that you have, that fun trampoline, or even a treehouse could become a lawsuit. Now, thanks for watching The Claims Ninja, and I will see you on the next video.